Hi, welcome to Tiny Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Today we cooked the egg drop soup, right?
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, and we make the soup for my sister, Roseanne, and she liked the soup. So today we
I'm sorry, it smells good.
we make the soup for you, Roseanne. Hope you like.
Okay, so we're going to go out into the kitchen. She's going to cook, and we'll be back to talk about this in just a little bit.
All right, see you later.
Bye for now.
Bye. Hi, welcome to Chinese Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Today we cook egg soup.
Egg drop soup.
Egg drop soup. Okay. All right, and the first time, today we used ginger, green onion. I use some chicken chest.
Breast.
Breast.
English is not your first language. We know. It's not a problem. Not a problem.
All right. Okay, we just use very little oil, not very much.
All right. Is this just to put on the bottom?
Right, just put at the bottom. See? Very little.
Oh, yeah. And that's just going to take a couple seconds on high.
Yeah. Just.
Especially if you have one of these glass top stoves, or if you have a gas stove too.
Yeah.
It really gets hot fast.
Right. We just use the ginger. Ginger. Make them hot. And use the chicken breast.
Chicken breast, right. And you cut it up into little small pieces.
All right, cut it very small. And normally, we just in the home cook the soup, we use the chicken breast. And if you go to the restaurant, some don't have.
Right. Sometimes they just use what they call chicken broth, which is just like the water from cooking chicken.
Yes. We just use
And again, the measuring's kind of simple because how many bowls of soup do you want?
Yeah.
Right?
Right. And later I need to use this one for the cornstarch.
Right.
We just make the warm. Okay, I need this much.
About half a teaspoon.
Right. And you need to check you use how much soup put inside.
Okay.
I just use probably just 3 the bowl. Use soup normally don't do too salty. Just little taste very good. If it's too salty, no good.
Right.
And I need this one in here and the bullion and the take I just turn off the small, maybe 2 half.
Okay.
5 minutes.
All right.
Need bullion first.
So do we come back in 5?
Yes, 5 minutes.
All right. We'll see you in 5.
See you later.
Okay.
All right. Welcome back. And right now, have a little time. Okay, we need use some starch, cornstarch.
Right.
1 very big.
1 big teaspoon.
Right.
Now, is that water that you're using, that's just regular,
Just regular water.
meaning, what I mean is it's room temperature, it's not cold, it's not hot.
No, just regular.
Room temperature.
No hot if it's cooked. It's together, no good. Okay, we just use 2
eggs.
egg, right.
And you're going to whisk them up.
We need let them all take apart, not together. All right, and I need
Okay, turning that back on high.
yeah.
It was already boiling, which is good. Now
Yeah.
you're just putting in some cornstarch.
Right.
You're not dumping it all in at one time either. You're
Yeah.
just Now, if you don't want to use the chicken, you can use chicken stock. You can use maybe even the chicken flavor from a ramen soup package, right?
Yes, and which one you like, your choice.
Right.
No problem.
Because if you're in a hurry, sometimes you want a shortcut.
Right. We like it. We just give you some idea, make you like the food.
Right. And you're putting water in the eggs.
Right.
Because you don't want it hard and thick, you want it nice, light, and fluffy.
Right, and I want the egg in there, make the packer and together, and make it very pretty and soft.
Okay. Well, that came to a boil fast.
Right. Right now we can turn off because it's still hot. You don't need you need to choose you what to use, how, but still need a bullion.
And this is the drop part of the egg drop soup. You're dropping the egg in very slowly.
Right.
And it makes these like strings of egg in there, right?
See? Right.
Very nice. Now, is this American Chinese food or is this Chinese food?
The Chinese food.
Okay.
Yeah, and normally Chinese people in the whole special morning, and them want to eat some breakfast and some dry, some maybe like the bread, and too dry, and they need use some excuse me, use some soup, make them eat food fast and nowhere dry. See, right now the it's ready. And see, I just cut some and carrot.
Carrot, right.
Right, just want to make it pretty.
Right, you don't have to put it in if you
Right.
don't like, but
Yes.
if you want,
I
that's
just
good.
make it pretty. And some green onion.
Right. You see that a lot in the restaurants, is the green onion.
Right, green onion.
Mm-hmm.
If you like and cilantro, you can put some cilantro. If you don't like, you don't need.
Right.
Right, just which one you like, your choice. But I put it this one, just make green onion and the cilantro you can taste. But just curry, nowhere much taste, but just make it pretty.
Okay.
All right, right now. Wait a minute.
So you just,
See,
yeah.
right now.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Ooh, the one.
Now, were you going to put some more green onion on top?
Yeah, that's right now I put it inside.
Mm-hmm.
If you want more, take more. Make it more pretty.
There you go. Nice. So is it time to eat?
Yes. We
Very
can go
good.
eat right now.
Okay, terrific. See you soon.
See you soon. Welcome back. We make the soup. See. Inside I take some ginger and chicken broth and egg, some cornstarch.
Right.
And onion, green onion, and I cut some in the curry,
Carrot.
sorry, and
My tongue's
I
so
just
full.
make it pretty.
Right.
But you know, like you no need to put it in.
Okay, I'm hoping that the camera doesn't hear it, but my stomach is growling because I'm smelling this. Shall we go ahead and
right.
do our toast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Yes, absolutely. It's easy. Okay.
Thank
Now
you.
this is a kind of moonshine. It's sold in the area, and it's like a fruit punch.
All right.
To us, together forever.
Mwah. Love it.
Love you too.
Very good. You want to try?
Yep, I have had this before. But this is
Tastes
good.
very good. I like.
Wow.
Little strong.
Cleared my sinuses. I'm drinking bourbon and that cleared my sinuses.
Little strong, but it tastes very good.
Yeah, I wasn't ready. Okay, so now that we've got the fun part out of the way,
Yes.
now this is the fun part.
Yes.
Now, in a lot of Chinese restaurants in America, this is usually in like one of those really big soup containers,
Yes.
and you always wonder, is it from a can or did they really cook it?
Yeah, them cook it.
They cook it? Okay. And you know, because you used to work at
Yes.
a Chinese restaurant in,
Yeah.
where was it? Nevada? Was it?
I in the yes in the Nevada I cook in the restaurant is the husband and wife in the small restaurant, not very big, but I see them cook it. And normally, and a lot of Chinese people just were traditional Chinese food. And sometimes morning and very hurry, want to fast and no cook very much, and them just use very dried bread and have some the egg, very easy make the soup, and just eat the bread and some salty the vegetables. Use this one.
Oh, okay.
Right, very good.
This tastes and smells amazing. Our youngest son, Nick, also
He
loves
He
egg
loves
crab
this
soup.
soup. And if some people like this one more dry, you just use more and cornstarch. I just I don't like the too dry because I like the where the good the soup.
Right,
If it's
more-
too dry, right? Like no like the soup.
Right. This is great. Well, shall we call it a day so we can finish our soup?
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks for coming by. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and
And I hope my sister Rosanne, you can see the video and you know what to cook. And I hope and someday and I can visit cook it together.
that would be nice.
Yes. And hope you have a wonderful day, great day. Hope you with your family together and have a safe and healthy and nice weekend.
Absolutely. So until next time, we'll say goodbye.
Yes. Bye right now.
再见.
再见.
Okay, now we get to eat
Yeah.
more
Right.
food.
Right.
Really good.